Difference between dharmi and dharm, substratum versus characteristic, Shantoditavyabdeshya dharmanupati dharmi. 3.14. That which continues to exist through varying characteristics, Shant, past, quiescent, Udit, present, manifest, or Avyabdeshya, future, and manifest yet potent, is the dharmi, substratum or the characterized entity. Kramanyatvam parinamanyatve hetu. 3.15. The change in the sequence of characteristics, Kramanyatvam, is the cause of mutative differences, Parinamanyatve hetu. Since one characteristic gives rise to only one mutation, the difference in mutations must result from a change in sequence. Eksya dharminang ekev parinam iti prasikte kramanyatvam parinamanyatve heturbhavatiti. If one substratum, dharmi, were to undergo only a single mutation, then sequential variation, kramanyatvam, would be the cause of differences in transformation, parinamanyatve hetu. Sayam and Phal. Parinamatra sayamad atitanagata jnanam. Knowledge of the past and the future can be attained through sayam on the three parinam, transformations. Dharmalikshanaavastha parinameshu sayamad yogina bhavatyatitanagata jnanam. By practicing sayam on the transformations of dharma, intrinsic nature, lakshan, temporal characteristics, and avastha, state, yogams attain knowledge of the past and the future. Dharana dhyan samadhitramayakatra sayama hokta. It has already been stated that dharana, fixity, dhyan, meditation, and samadhi, absorption, directed toward a single object constitute sayam. Ten parinamatra sakshatkriyamana atitanagata jnana teshu sampadhyati. If the transformations in dharma, lakshan, and avastha of an object can be directly perceived through sayam, knowledge of its past and future becomes accessible. Shabdartha pratyayanamitretradhyasat synkristat pravibhag sayamaat sarvabhutrute jnanam. The overlapping of shabd, word, arth, object implied, and pratyay, idea or cognition, produces a unified impression. However, through sayam practiced separately on each, knowledge of the meanings of the sounds produced by all beings can be attained. Due to the intermixture and superimposition of words, meanings, and feelings, confusion arises in consciousness. This confusion can be resolved through disciplined restraint, sayam. By such effort, one attains understanding of the inner feelings of all living beings through their sounds.